Morning guys, welcome to Football Brownie on what is a very sad day for us all. Normally I would go through all the indoor spiel, but it's not the time or the day for it really. Just heard that little Isla Caton has lost her fight against cancer. Little Isla, who touched many people's hearts throughout her many years of fighting her illness. Grew her wings today and is a special addition to the big house upstairs. This is what the family put out on Isla Caton's Twitter feed about an hour ago. My thoughts go out to her parents, friends, and everyone who is who's connected, whether it's a big or small connection. I'm sure that everyone is feeling really down at the moment. I was lucky enough to meet up with some of my friends and family at the Czech embassy, going back now about 6 months ago, and fantastic down to earth people, and they don't deserve this. Okay. Rest in peace, Isla, and I'm sure not just West Ham community, but the football community as a whole has been hit by the sad news. Take care.